10 to 12% guaranteed returns. Is it stocks? Is it crypto? No, but it's the Indian education system. जी हाँ, data doesn't lie. As per an ET research, the year-on-year cost of education is set to rise by 10% every year for universities in India. But हम हैं आम जनता. We can't invest here. तो एटलीस्ट कॉलेज की फीस को कैसे कम करें उस पर चर्चा कर लेते हैं, स्पेशली BITS Pilani, because we all know what's the fastest growing thing. Hey, I'm Shamrat Datto, Bachelor of Engineering Economics and Computer Science undergrad from BITS Pilani, and आज हम चर्चा करेंगे कि how I brought down my 24 lakh dual degree fee so that my dad only had to pay around 6 lakhs. But भैया आपने तो बताया कि dual degree in 2024 will cost around 34 to 38 lakhs. ये वीडियो देख लेना for more context. Yes, it's gonna cost this much, and this is no bullshit guide on how to minimize your college fees, and we will also come up with a number how much you should earn per month ताकि ये possible हो. Now, there's a well-defined path that you can actually follow to make this achievable. First is scholarship. Yes, मैंने अपने all 4 to 5 years of college scholarship में पढ़ा हूँ, and I even holded 80% scholarship for the first year. By the way, एक pen paper ले लो, because this video is going to be a little heavy. See, I know you won't, so I have left a free cheat sheet in the description down below. 2 type of scholarship होता है, usually जो BITS देता है, merit scholarship and merit cum need scholarship. पहले वाला थोड़ा unrealistically hard है मिलना, as you need to be in the top 1% of students, then you get 100% on tuition fees, which if you get, BITS becomes really affordable. But हम इस वीडियो पे बस practical बातें करेंगे. Most of us are in middle class here and have annual income less than 15 lakh per year. Then you're eligible for something called merit cum need scholarship. ये part अच्छे से सुनो, because if you play your cards really well, BITS becomes really affordable with high return on investment. I won't be going too deep, but if you want a detailed video on scholarships at BITS Pilani, then comment scholarship below and subscribe. 80% scholarship पे your 5-year fees will come down to just, drum rolls, under 12 lakhs. भैया क्या? Yes. Problem is it's still not easy to achieve to consistently get 80% for 4 to 5 years straight. But I came up with a mindset I called CSDF. Cumulative strictly decreasing factor, which helped me to be smart about it while being an average student. Next, अगर 40% करेंगे, it rises to 23 lakh. But let's consider this, cause ये थोड़ा achievable number है, and let's move on. But you will ask, भैया क्या इसको और भी कम कर सकते हैं? The short answer is yes, but कैसे? See, there is no cheat code. You have to pay on your own. Yes, I have paid my own fees, you can see right here. But let's discuss a few things that I would do if I come to BITS right now. अपना agenda है कि 23 लाख का नंबर को जीरो कैसे करें. First, get into clubs and departments that have a high correlation with income. You will be like, अरे भैया 20s तो एक ही बार आता है, थोड़ा चिल नहीं कर सकते जिंदगी में? It's very simple. You have to choose your own battles. तुम्हें करना हो तो करो ना यार, कौन रोक रहा है? But then don't be jealous of someone who sacrificed 12 hours a day for 4 years straight and did all of this on his own. Step 1. Master a monetizable skill. Go all in for 6 months. Start earning. I started with graphic designing, then I shifted to video editing, then I shifted to motion designing. You can choose whatever interests you. इसमें I am making another video, the best skills to master in college for money. Now let me tell you my story. I started editing this cheeky little club के edits ताकि free में portfolio बने. Most editors are stuck in this loop. Portfolio के लिए उन्हें client चाहिए और client को चाहिए portfolio. Remember this, you are your first client. I started editing for your physio, charged around 10,000 per month for 4 to 6 month के contract and earned around 60,000, which covered my PS1 fees. Instead of stalking all these hot chicks on Instagram, just stalk LinkedIn profile of your heroes and see कि भाई उन्होंने step by step कैसे किया. Realistically, you won't be able to pay your first year fees because I would let parents pay for the first year. Meanwhile, I build my skill set up to charge client. Second year fees is 4.6 lakh a year, which is roughly around 40,000 a month. Oof, that also sounds a lot. But if you have put in the hours for the last 6 to 12 months, you just need a few recurring clients to hit this number. I was at a point where I charged 50,000 rupees for a 60-second video edit. Of course, it was not easy, but it's possible to reach there. 40,000 a month. Let's break down this gigantic number. That is 10,000 per week. Now, does that sound a lot to you? अगर अभी भी it sounds a lot to you, you are not at BITS Pilani. When you're starting out, you really won't be that good. So first you have to play the quantity game, then a quality game. For example, example, average editor 5 clients 8 videos for 1000 rupees each, 40k check. Decent editor 5 clients 4 videos 2000 rupees each, 40k check. Great editor just 3 clients a month 3 videos and 5000 rupees per edit, it's more than 40k. Now consulting can also be a very good way. Irony ये है कि I always wanted to explore it but I could not, and क्योंकि I don't talk about anything that I haven't done personally, let me hand over to Yash Rathi who has done it all.
Consulting basically is brains for hire. So whenever businesses face any problems, they hire a group of people जो उन्हें help करते हैं to find solution for it. And it's done on project basis generally. You have a problem statement जिसका कि project ढूंढने के लिए you hire people and you pay them.
How long does it really take someone earning their first dollar?
Got prizes since my first case study competition only. Then there is 2 to 3 different ways that you go. Either you join a consulting group at your college. So BITS Goa has 2 to 3 consulting group, 180 DC, BGCC and Share. या फिर तुम freelance basis पे भी कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे you can take a project. Generally वहाँ पे pay 5 to 15k, 3 to 4 months to building a portfolio, winning some competitions, and then you can start earning the first dollar. There are 3 big names in the industry that are basically the gold tier where everyone wants to enter. They are called MBB, McKinsey, BCG, and Bain & Company. From undergraduate level, when you join them, you join as analyst. उनका payment होता है 13 to 18 lakhs के per annum. Growth is really high. Graduation after MBA, you join as consultant, जहाँ पे की salary jumps to 33 lakhs. After 2 to 3 years, you will become project leader. Salary would be 60 to 70 lakhs.
Step 2, जो कि थोड़ा सा समझना मुश्किल है, but you have to understand the power of a college tag, that is BITS Pilani tag. Now this is something which I realized quite late. See, being in a tier 1 college gives you something called leverage. भैया यार बड़े बड़े शब्द, बस example से समझाओ ना. I will take my friend's example. Consider my friend Tarun who graduated from IIT Kharagpur. I mean, I have hanged out with him a few times and he is really smart. You have to understand the idea of demand and supply and scarcity. Go to his channel and search the word IIT. Most of his video have it in the title simply because lakhs of people try to get into an IIT every year. Very few people make it, so it's a scarce resource, which means a lot of attention, which directly indirectly equates to money in this generation. After meeting Tarun, I'm like, bro, he would have blown up anyway even if he was not in IIT, because this guy is an absolute machine. He still works as hard as he worked during the JEE, and bhai दिखता है यार वो काम में. His editing and storytelling is just, it would have just taken more time. See, the word here is time, because you are already a billionaire, but not in cash, but in time. And cash to bana loge, but time you can't ever have back. See, that's how you actually use leverage. I'm purposefully trying to avoid my example. Then you see Harish, of course, BITS Pilani tag, content, lot of eyeballs, 120 crore valuated startup. Second best thing about, you get into the network of Bitsians, and trust me, it matters in the long game. ये तो वो हो गया जो तुम add on कर सकते हो, but BITS में होने का कुछ hidden फायदे भी है. First, you get access to a lot of great internships and placements. मुझे नहीं पता तुम्हारा passion कहाँ लाई करता है, but let's keep emotions aside. If you rank by the industry that pays the highest and comes to our college, here are the top 3. First, tech, consulting, finance. Now, finance में एक star है because third के लिए you need to do finance deals at BITS Pilani. So let's start with tech. See, I chose my career in tech for 3 simple reasons. First, recession के time MNCs were still around paying top rupees to fresh graduates. If you get 80,000 to 1.2 lakh month stipend on average, you already cross the 40k per month number easily, with a very high chance of converting your internship to a full-time offer. ठीक है. Second, MNCs, almost most of them give equity, which is a certain ownership of their company as part of your compensation or package if you get the job. देखो, simple fact बताता हूँ एक, most probably you will reach 20 लाख 50 लाख milestone in the form of equity before cash, because first it's easier, second 50 lakh for big corporations are nothing. Third, the work-life balance. Now, if you select a company really smart, you will enjoy a pretty comfortable chill life. I mean, you still have to churn around 4 to 6 hours a day on average, but it's still better than working for 3 lakh per annum and 12 hours a day. Now, मैंने realize किया कि वीडियो काफी लंबा हो रहा है. I will cover the rest in next part, so stay subscribed. Peace.